पानी राहुल। In group 4, Suraj Sardar, Ayush Kar, Riya Raut, Shivaji Daroga. In group 5, Animesh Kar, Nitesh Sahu, Soumya Patnaik, Mrigang Saswat. In group, so let's start this program with lighting up this traditional lamp, and I request the audience and the students to give our guest standing ovation.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हों अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम ना सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। वो बहा के कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति
Have gave us so beautiful creations.
शत नमन। आप आए यहाँ आपको शत नमन। स्वागतम आपका कर रहा हर्षमन। स्वागतम आपका कर रहा हर्षमन। आप आए यहाँ आपको शत नमन। आप आए यहाँ आपको शत नमन। आप आए यहाँ आपको शत नमन। थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू।
So we'll ask you clockwise and anti-clockwise questions. Direct question, not passing question to all of you. And direct question scorer, get ready, 10 marks. There is no passing questions. So we start
Hello.
our
Hello.
science round. Now, I will ask two questions. First, Alpha. Alpha, your direct questions. What are animals without backbones called?
Vertebrates.
Wrong answer. Now direct question to B. Don't take too much time, only 30 seconds you have.
Pascal, sir.
Which endocrine gland is known as master gland?
Pass.
So there 0 marks. You will give 0 marks. Now
पता चलो ए होगा ए पॉजिटिव है
which blood group is known as universal donor?
O positive.
Oh, right answer. Now, direct question to Gamma. In how much time does moonlight reach the earth? In how much time does moonlight reach the earth? Sorry, wrong answer. Now, direct question to Gamma. Which vitamin is essential for proper bone and teeth formation?
Vitamin D.
Right answer. Give 10 marks. Now, direct question to Delta. Which gas is used for making our water supply free from germs? Which gas is used for making our water supply free from germs?
Chlorine.
Right answer. Now, next question to Theta. When we observe our National Science Day, when we observe our National Science Day, right answer, give 10 marks. Now, direct question to Beta. The smallest particle of an element is called. The smallest particle of an element is called.
Molecule.
Sorry, wrong answer.
एटम नहीं
Now,
एटम तो बिल्डिंग
direct question
बिल्डिंग
to
ब्लॉक स्मॉलेस्ट होगा
which planet sharing its name with a metal? Which planet sharing its name with a metal? Right answer. Give 10 marks. Now after completing our science round, I will ask our scorer, please tell their score.
हम लोग को जीरो में ही अटका, अभी कुछ करो। छोड़ो साइंस का गया, अभी और है ना।
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, आवाज नहीं आ रहा। Now, start our second round. Alpha, your direct question, who was the founder of Mughal Empire? Who was the founder of Mughal Empire?
बाबर.
Right answer. Now, Beta, your question is, who built the town of Fatehpur Sikri?
अकबर.
Right answer. Now, Theta, your question is, who established the Sikh rule in Punjab? Who established the Sikh rule in Punjab? Don't take too much time, only 30 seconds. Okay. Now, Delta, your question. First Governor General of India was? Who was the first Governor General of India?
लॉर्ड क्लाइव.
Wrong answer. Now, Gamma, your, the study of coins is called? The study of coins. Gamma, your question. The study of coins is called?
Numismatics.
Right answer. Now, Sigma, your direct question. Who was the founder of Sikh religion? Who was the founder of Sikh religion? Right answer. Now, your anti-clockwise question. Who was the author of Shahnama? Who was the author of Shahnama? Sorry. Now, Gamma, your question is, who was the founder of slave dynasty in India? Who was the founder of slave dynasty in India? Right answer. Now, Delta, your question is, which Mughal emperor was known as Jinda Pir? Which Mughal emperor was known as Jinda Pir?
औरंगजेब.
Right answer. Now, Theta, your question, Name the birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev. Name the birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev. Don't take too much time, only 30 seconds. Because after your program, senior quiz. Sorry. Now, beta, your question, who was known as Little Corporal? Who was known as Little Corporal?
Soy.
Now, Alpha, your question is, name the first black president of the Republic of South Africa. Name the first black president of the Republic of South Africa.
Nelson Mandela.
Right answer. So again, I will ask our scorer after our history round, tell them their score. Thank you. Let's again we start our geography round. Here also I will ask you some clockwise question and anti-clockwise questions. Your Alpha, your question. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bengal? Which river is known as the sorrow of Bengal? Don't take too much time.
Tapi. Tapi.
Sorry, wrong answer. Now, beta, your question is, Chilika Lake is situated in which state in India?
Odisha.
Right answer. Now, your question. Which bird is symbolic of love and peace? Which bird is symbolic of love and peace? Sorry, its answer is dog. Love and peace. Now, Delta, your question, when solar eclipse occur? When solar eclipse occur?
So when the moon comes between the earth and the sun.
Right answer. Now your question, Gamma, the fifth largest planet in our solar system is. Name the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Name the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Right answer. Now, your Sigma. How many rings are there on the Olympic flag? How many rings are there on the Olympic flag? Right answer. Now again we start our anti-clockwise. Where is the Indian Military Academy located? Where is the Indian Military Academy located? Sorry, Dehradun is right answer. Now, Gamma, your question, in which state the Ghana Bird Sanctuary is situated? Ghana Bird Sanctuary is situated. In which state the Ghana Bird Sanctuary is situated? Its answer is Rajasthan. Now, Delta, your direct question. Which Indian state lies between Nepal and Bhutan? Which Indian state lies between Nepal and Bhutan?
Sikkim.
Right answer. Now, Theta, your question is, which is the largest peninsula area-wise in the world? Which is the largest peninsula area-wise in the world?
Indian Peninsula.
Sorry, its answer is Arabia. Now, Beta, your direct question, which is the highest waterfall in the world? Which is the highest waterfall in the world?
Angel Falls.
Right answer, Angel Fall. Now, Theta, your direct question, which is the longest ocean route in the world? Which is the longest ocean route in the world? Don't take too much.
Cape of Good Hope.
Sorry, its answer is North Atlantic Sea Route. Now after this round I will ask again our scorer, please tell them their score. Right answer. Now, Beta, your question, how many even prime numbers? How many even prime numbers? How many even prime numbers?
Infinite.
Sorry, its answer is 1, that is 2. That number is 2, only one prime number, that is 2. Now, Theta, your question is, what is the reciprocal of 1? What is the reciprocal of 1?
0.
Sorry, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now, Delta, your question, which is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number.
0.
Right answer. Now, your question, which is the smallest prime number? Which is the smallest prime number?
2.
Right answer. Now, Sigma, your question, how many sides an octagon? How many sides? Right answer. Now again, anti-clockwise direct question to Sigma. What is the largest two-digit prime number? What? Listen carefully. What is the largest two-digit prime number? What is the largest two-digit prime number? How many factors are there in 71? How many factors are there in 71? Sorry, two factors, 1 and 71, because 71 is also a prime number. Now, direct question to delta. How many hours in 90 minutes? How many hours in 90 minutes? 90 minutes.
So 1.5 hour.
Right answer, 1.5 hours. Now, question theta, your direct questions. How many diagonals are there in a quadrilateral? How many diagonals are there in a quadrilateral? Sorry, 2. Now, direct question to beta. How many parts are there in a triangle?
3.
Sorry, 6 parts. 6 angles, 6 sides. 3 angles, 3 sides. Now, direct question to alpha. What is the opposite of 6? What is the opposite of 6?
-6.
Right answer, -6. After this round, again I ask our scorer, please tell them their score.
Japan.
Right answer. Now, beta, your question is, which city in India is called the India's Silicon Valley? Which city in India is called the India's Silicon Valley?
जल्दी बोलो यार.
Sorry.
So its answer is Bangalore. Now, I will ask Theta, your direct question. What is the southernmost point of India called? Sorry, its answer is Indira Point, not Kanyakumari. Now, Delta, your direct question, the term silver revolution, silver revolution is associated with which field? Silver revolution.
Metal.
Sorry, its answer is egg. Now, Gamma, your question, name the scientist who was elected the President of India in July 2002. Again I repeat this question, listen carefully. Name the scientist who was elected President of India in July 2002? Right answer. Now, Sigma, your direct question. Where is cellular gel situated? Where is cellular gel situated? Its answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now your direct question to goes to Sigma. Name the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. Right answer. Porbandar, Gujarat is the right answer. Now, Gamma, your direct question. Name the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Right answer. Now, Delta, your question. Name the first metal used by man. Name the first metal used by man or discovered by man.
कॉपर.
Right answer. Now, Theta, your direct question. Name the metal that remains liquid at room temperature. Right answer. Now, Beta, your direct question. Who established the Missionary of Charity in India?
मदर टेरेसा.
Right answer. And your direct question, Theta. To whom we call the father of Indian cinema? To whom we call the father of Indian cinema?
धुंधीराज गोविंद फाल्के.
Right answer. So, again, I ask our sirs to please tell them their score after the miscellaneous round.
Right answer. It's खिलाड़ी नंबर 1 अक्षय कुमार. Okay, next. Carry on.
बड़ा पाव देखो पूरा काला तेल भाव हो गया. न खुद खाता है न पीता है न औरों को खाने देता है.
बेटा बेटा
बड़ा पाव देखो पूरा काला तेल भाव हो गया. न खुद खाता है न पीता है न औरों को खाने देता है.
जॉनी लीवर.
Right answer. It's Johnny Lever.
ये लक्ष्मी देवी कृपा करा रे बाबा. टेलीफोन आहे नमः, रॉन्ग नंबर आहे नमः, दैवी प्रसाद आहे नमः, पैसा आहे नमः, रुपया आहे नमः.
Theta. मैडम है राइट आंसर.
यहाँ से आप लोगों ने मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस किया है और
डेल्टा
जो आप कह रहे हैं उससे मुझ में एक हिम्मत दी है. जिस तरह से मेरे पापा इस परिवार के साथ अटल जी के साथ जुड़े थे, आज मैं यहाँ मोदी.
वन मोर चांस. प्ले अगेन.
यहाँ से आप लोगों ने मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस किया है और जो आप कह रहे हैं उससे मुझ में एक हिम्मत दी है. जिस तरह से मेरे पापा इस परिवार के साथ अटल जी के साथ जुड़े थे, आज मैं यहाँ मोदी
Come on, Delta.
पास।
Pass.
आजकल के जमाने में इतनी ईमानदारी अच्छी नहीं है, थोड़ी थोड़ी बेईमानी करना चाहिए। मेरे पिताजी कहा करते थे कि ईमानदारी वो गंजा सर है जिस पर नोटों के बाल कभी उग ही नहीं सकते।
Operator, repeat.
क्या भगवान, मैंने तुझसे कहा था माशूका गद्दार मत देना, मालिक ईमानदार मत देना, तूने दोनों गड़बड़ कर दिया ना। ये क्या मालिक है, एक पैसा कमाने नहीं देता है, देख जेब खाली है। मेरी कहानी फिर से लिखना, मैं आगे मिलता हूँ। अरे मालिक, सर मैं ये कह रहा था कि आजकल के जमाने में इतनी ईमानदारी अच्छी नहीं है, थोड़ी थोड़ी बेईमानी करना चाहिए। मेरे पिताजी कहा करते थे कि ईमानदारी वो गंजा सर है जिस पर नोटों के बाल कभी उग ही नहीं सकते।
The answer is Kader Khan, who died a year back. Sigma. Operator, play.
क्या हुआ? अरे तुम्हारा फेस फुटबॉल से टेनिस बॉल क्यों बन गया? कल जब वो चोर ज्वेलरी स्टोर में चोरी करने आए थे,
Please repeat.
क्या हुआ? अरे तुम्हारा फेस फुटबॉल से टेनिस बॉल क्यों बन गया? कल जब वो चोर ज्वेलरी स्टोर में चोरी करने आए थे,
Madam, Rajpal Yadav. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay. It's over. Now, Mr. Scorer, update our participants with.
Okay, at stage. So if you give the answer, then you will be winner. Okay, alpha and alpha.
Alpha and delta.
Let me. Right answer. Who developed the vaccine for smallpox?
Edward Jenner.
Right answer. Name a mixture of two. What is the mixture of two metals called? What is the mixture of two metals called?
Composition.
Sorry, its answer is alloy. In your last question, who was the famous musician and one of the Navratna of Akbar's court? Who was the famous musician and one of the Navratna of Akbar's court?
Baiju Bavra.
Sorry, its answer is Tansen. Now, Delta, your direct question. What is the value of a to the power 0?
0.
Sorry, its answer is 1. Now, what is the square of 15? What is the square of 15?
225.
Right answer. And next question, I think it is number 3 questions. Name the first explorer who first sailed around the world. Name the first explorer who first sailed around the world.
Pass.
Its answer is Christopher Columbus. Now another question, it's question number 4. Which country first gave women to right to the vote? Which country first gave women to the right to the vote?
Vasco da Gama.
Right answer. Okay, tell.
Got 3 out of 5, Tetra got 2 out of 5. So Alpha became winner, Tetra became runner.
Thank you very much. Group 2, Vikas, Shubham, Resma. In Group 3, Happydas, Ashish and Rakhi. Group 4, Vivek, Rakesh and Rahul. You are in Group 4. Sumit and Alisa Singh. Please.
Here is one.
To all of you present here, especially my dear all the students who I love very much, and especially I would like to thank to my school management that they have chosen me so that I can resume this task. So let me introduce first our participants. One by one, you have to give your introduction, please.
My name is Rakesh from 8. My name is Rahul from class 8. My name is Vivek from class 10.
The program, let me introduce the terms and conditions of this contestant. There will be science and SST contest. In first round, you will be asked the questions clockwise and after that anti-clockwise. For each right answer, you will be given 10 marks, and for pass question, you will be given just half marks. Our dear scorer, please notice. Picture of single citizenship in the Constitution has been taken. किस देश से एकल नागरिकता का प्रावधान को लिया गया है? हमारे देश में हमारा जो संविधान है उसमें बहुत सारे प्रावधान हैं, तो बहुत सारे देशों से लिया गया है ये प्रावधान। तो एकल नागरिकता का जो प्रावधान है वो किस देश से लिया गया है? ओके, वेरी गुड, करेक्ट आंसर। Now my next question, that means first question for Rita. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the equality of opportunity in matters of public employment? In matter of public employment, रोजगार से संबंधित जितने भी केसेस आएंगे उनमें सबको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया जाएगा बिलोंगिंग टू एनी रीजन, कास्ट, क्रीड। आर यू श्योर? नो, एक्चुअली आर्टिकल 16 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। In which article of Indian Constitution right to education has been mentioned? And you have to also mention A, B, C, D. Okay. Just for example, 120A, 124C, D. in which article of Indian Constitution right to education has been mentioned? No, no pass.
19A.
No. मना है किस आर्टिकल में? You are feeling comfortable? Okay. In which article of Indian Constitution abolition of untouchability has been mentioned? Abolition of untouchability, छुआछूत का उन्मूलन. Now I will ask anti-clockwise.
In marks, both are 10 and beta, theta and gamma, they are in dark.
This is a miscellaneous cosmos. Which Veda is divided into two parts, Krishna and Shukla? Which Veda is divided into two parts, Krishna and Shukla? Which Veda is divided into two parts, Krishna and Shukla? Do you know, audience? The past questions will be not. He could distinguish the work of each artist in a picture. No. Sarojini Naidu called one of the Britishers as Mahatma. Sarojini Naidu called one of the Britishers as Mahatma. Who was that Britisher? What was the name that Britisher?
Lord Irwin.
Lord Irwin, are you sure? Not when, where? W-H-E-R-E, where? Where was the first session of Indian National Congress held? You have to name the place. Anyone? Is Bombay, but now this time Mumbai. My last question of this SSD round. The third battle of Panipat. Name the Afghan ruler who led the third battle of Panipat. Name the Afghan ruler who led the third battle of Panipat. Are you not sure?
Ibrahim Lodi.
No. Actually, I cannot give you marks. They are all the groups. But do you know the correct answer? Yes. Ahmad Safdari is the correct answer. कंपन करने वाला जो तार होता है उसके बारे में जो स्टडी करते हैं उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट उस उपकरण का नाम बताइए. वो उपकरण जिससे कंपन करने वाला स्ट्रिंग. No. Yes. This question will be passed to Beta. Do you know the answer of this question? Once more. Name the instrument which is used to study the behavior of a vibrating string. Name the instrument which is used to study the behavior of a vibrating string. Pass. Delta. No. Gamma. All are passing, but they are not passing. They are getting failed result. Dear audience, do you know? The correct answer is sonometer in iron. You can say approx 2. The value of 0.5 or 1 marks will not affect your result. Is it correct? The speed of sound in iron 5130 meter per second according to beta group. Is it correct, dear audience? Okay, correct answer. Before resume the task, my dear all the students, I have a special request towards you that please give them a big hands for our contestants. Once more, please. Greenocyte is an ore of which element? Iron. Sorry. Cadmium. Other groups? Okay, cadmium is the correct answer. This one was phosphorus. Now from which group? From delta. Sir, this was phosphorus. Now first direct question to delta. Which is the first metalloid of periodic table? Which is the first metalloid of periodic table? First metalloid of periodic table. Are you not sure? I am passing the question now. This question to now gamma group. Which is the first metalloid of periodic table? Are you not sure? No. Sir, I have to pass to that group. Alpha.